Okay, let's once you've opened up your standard mockups file, you're going to see you have 2 to 3 artboards here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use them. You're going to focus on the Modify Me artboard. We have a little placeholder here. You're going to see it comes with a background, which is the label background, and then the placeholder label. The background is just in case your whole label can't fit. And so if you click on that background, you can actually change the background of the label in case you have a clear label, something like so, and then it will render like so. So right now we have a white label, so I'm just going to leave that label white, the label background white. And let me show you how to drop in a new label. Well, first of all, you have the label folder, which encapsulates the entire label or smart object. You don't want to move this around. That's not going to do anything when you have the folder selected. You want to go inside the folder, and anything in here inside the label folder will automatically update here. And let me show you what that means. So I'm going to select inside the folder. I'm going to go and grab a graphic here, and I'm going to drop it inside the folder. And then you can see this square here. Anything in there is going to be rendered over here. But first, let me show you. When you hit Control semicolon, you're going to get these lines here. These are guides. So in this area here, this is the front of the bottle, and on this side here is the reverse of the bottle. So if I wanted the logo to be centered, the dual pixel logo, I would center it in the first column area here. And then as we scroll over, you're going to see centered, and then it bleeds into the back a little bit. If we scooch it over, let's make sure we have inside the label selected. So you're going to have half up front, half in the back. Half up front, half in the back. So that's how you use that part. We've also included, in case you have different liquid colors in here, you're going to select the actual liquid color, and you can actually select the folder for this. So just select it. Let's say we wanted to go with red. We just go to red, and there you have it. You have a red liquid in there now. And now the way to get these out of this artboard and into a PNG, all you're going to have to do is go here to the export persona, and then everything with this little dot on is going to be exported. So I'm going to get rid of the Modify Me artboard that holds all these things. We just want to do the front render and rear render, and you'll see all those are selected. You'll see that they're activated for export, and so all you're going to do is click Export Slices, and you're going to hit Export, and they should be exported. So let me just open them up really quick. Exported them right here, and you'll see here, exported. And that's just perfect. So a couple notes. You're going to not want to touch anything in these areas here. There's no reason that you need to be working on the mock-ups. It's very, I guess, advanced, so you don't want to do that. So like I said, anything that is in this square area will be rendered over here. So as you see here, we rendered over there. So make sure, again, that you are in the label folder, that you don't actually have the label folder selected. So maybe I could just lock that for now, and then you'll be able to, well, I'm not going to lock it. Don't lock it. Go inside the folder. And then it's as simple as changing the color of the icon here, and that will change everything over there. And it will look amazing. All right. Good luck. Thank you.